My Curlsmith confession is. My Curlsmith confession is. I haven't got a haircut in a year, and my hair has been really dry, and my ends are really frizzy. This is my first time trying Curlsmith products. I'm excited for the results.
So Jordan is a client of mine. She hasn't gotten a haircut in about a year, so her ends are long overdue for a cut. She's lacking some definition and overall just a fluid shape in her hair. So I just start off by finger detangling little sections just to make sure I get all of those dead ends that I need to get. This kind of helps me get a better visual of what needs to be cut. So these are her after cut results, a way more fluid shape. So now it's time to wash the hair, and I'm going to use the Core Strength shampoo from Curlsmith. I chose to use this shampoo on my client just because she definitely needs the extra strength in her hair. It's been a long time since she's gotten a haircut. She has some buildup in her hair, so I just want to get all of that out as well. This is a really great cleansing shampoo, and she just needs that overall boost of strength in her hair. It's been a while since she's had this full treatment, which is really needed in everyone's hair. So after shampooing, I'm going to deep condition with the multitasking conditioner. This conditioner is amazing. It could be a leave-in, a deep conditioner, or a regular conditioner. So I'm just going to use this to detangle. As you can see, it gives great slip for the hair, and it made detangling so easy. So now that the hair is detangled and has deep conditioner in it, I'm just going to cover it and let the mist really get in there and penetrate all of that conditioner into her hair cuticles. As you can see, the hair has a gorgeous slip. My fingers are literally sliding through it, which I love, and I always look for this after a deep condition. After rinsing out the multitasking deep conditioner the first time, I'm going to add it back in the hair and use this as a leave-in and a base for all the styler products. Next, I'm going to use the Featherlight Protein Cream. I love this cream mainly because it does have a hold of its own, so you really don't need such a strong gel, but it gives the hair such definition, elasticity, shine, everything the hair really needs. My last product is going to be the Shape Up Aqua Gel. I really love this gel. It's a light hold gel, but it gives the hair amazing definition. I feel like with the Featherlight Cream, these two actually create a really nice hold for hair, and you guys will see with the results. So I go in with my Denman dupe, and I'm just going to define all of these curls. So here are Jordan's gorgeous results. I love the definition on every single curl, and every single curl is curling. There are no more dead ends. There's a beautiful fluid shape, and yeah, we were really happy with these results.
My Curlsmith confession is I've been cutting my own hair for about 1.5 years. I haven't got it professionally cut in a long time, and just not finding the right regimen for my hair. So yeah, this will be my first time trying any Curlsmith products.
So as you guys heard, my client has been cutting her own hair. She really needs a fluid shape, and you can't really tell, but her ends were very dead. She needed a cut really badly, a professional cut really badly, and yeah, I'm really happy she was here today because she needed this. So I'm starting off the same way, just finger detangling and making sure I see all of those dead ends, and then I cut them right out. So this is the shape that we've built so far. It looks pretty crazy, but you guys will see it comes out perfect, and we both loved it. So now I'm just going to wash her hair, and I'm going to use the same products I used on Jordan. I actually forgot to record some of these products, but I did use the Core Strength shampoo to wash, and with my client Ariana, I actually double shampooed her with this shampoo. She had some buildup in her hair, so this second shampoo was just to make sure it was all really gone. After that, I went in with the multitasking conditioner, and I used this to deep condition as well, and her hair really needed it and the ends really needed it, so it worked out perfectly. And of course, it's going to get all absorbed and penetrated deeply with my Spa Mist machine. So here's where I forgot to record the styling, but I did add the multitasking conditioner, the Featherlight protein cream, and the aqua gel on Ariana as well. Honestly, I feel like her wet results even look amazing, but now I'm just going in with the Denman dupe and getting those bouncy curls ready to get diffused. I definitely needed a live reaction of these results, and I'm so glad that I got it because she absolutely loved it, and so did I. The definition was perfect. The curls were so bouncy, so strong, and they look so healthy, and that was our main goal. So I'm really glad I got to achieve that with the Curl Strength recipe line. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more client videos.